So hey guys, check this thing out. It's an organizer box for the trunk. It's from Odro. If you guys remember, I've done a review on their floor mats. Great product. Now this is for a 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 for under the crew cab seat. But I measured it and it works perfect for this car. I'll kind of go over it real quick with you guys. But I always wanted an organizer. This thing has little partitions here you can take out each side. Very great quality too. Sturdy plastic. And then check this out. Try to do it with one hand here. Has a little cubby that you can take out. If you spill something in there, something that's leaking, put it in there, then dump it out. Very convenient. Like I said, the quality is, it's really a thick plastic. It's not going to distort on you. And like if you can see in the picture here, it's just perfect fit. I mean, check that out. Now they give you all the hardware too, but again, that's for the Ford truck. But I've been looking for an organizer and this fits perfect. So what I'm going to do is utilize this bottom hook here. If you remember, I put those in. And I'm going to attach this somehow to it. I haven't figured it out. I might even drill a hole right here and then attach it with like a nylon cable or something, just to hold it secure. Or I might even put like strips right here, put one, and then put one here, you know, a Velcro. And then you can take it out when you don't want to have little strips of Velcro on it. That I might do. So, but I mean, it holds it perfect. You guys look at that. And it won't go anywhere because you see the cutouts here on the side. I'll show you here in a second. So I'm pushed it up against the side and now it's hitting the little humps for the rear wheels. So it holds it perfectly in there. And you still have plenty of space in here to hold bags. You can put stuff all in here. So I really like this thing. And then you can also utilize the back. There's plenty of room to get back there if you want to. So it's just a nice way to separate this big open area. I carry groceries all the time in it. And it's like they slide around everywhere. So this would be perfect. You know, you have the space in front, which is a lot. You have the cubby, and then you can put stuff behind too. So like I said, it works really good. And it's not like I've seen the organizers they make for these cars, and they're either nylon, so they get nasty if you spill anything on them, or they're big old squares, so they take a lot of area, where this is thinner, so it just takes the width, but you can still use the front and the back. Like I said, I'm impressed how good this fits in here. I'm so excited I got this. I mean, look at it. You can even use the cargo net still from the top hooks if you wanted to, but there's plenty of clearance in here. And if you guys have those hooks that hold down, you can still clear it. So it doesn't take up this whole room. It's less than like a sub box. It's just wider. You know, I like this a lot. It's the answer I've been looking for so I could actually organize it, because it's so frustrating hauling stuff and it falls all over the place. So guys, definitely check it out. Great quality again by Odro. I'll put a link in the description. Know that it fits perfect. So I want to show you here what I did, and this actually works really well. So check this out. I just happened to see if this will work, and it does. So I didn't utilize this. I utilized that bottom hook and attached the cargo net, ran it along the front here, and then it's holding by the hooks. Now it's super tight. It's a quick way to do it without even drilling holes in it. I'm probably gonna leave it like this. And now, I mean, it's sturdy. I can't even budge it. It's because those hooks are into the sheet metal of the car. Now you have all your cubbies you need. If you want, unhook it, take the box out. There's no Velcro to worry about, and you can still have your cargo net. So you don't have to store your cargo net and, you know, chance losing it somewhere. So guys, this is a great system for this car. It fits perfect. It's not made for this car, but I mean, look at it. It looks great. And it's not going to take up the whole center by these big old footprints. Yes, it uses the width of it, but again, you still have the front and the back, and then it has all the cubbies. But the nice thing is it has partitions in it. So hope that helps you guys if you guys are looking for some organization. And it'll definitely make your trunk more useful for sure. So definitely check the description again, guys, for the link. Appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good, and I will catch you guys next time.